As by popular demand, we're going to be doing some loose waves on my hair with the GHD. Seems to be quite a popular request. Thank you, Chantel and Ellie. I always curl my hair with the Twist Around Curly Twist Spray. It's only 3 out of 5 hold, so it's very lightweight. It gives you heat protection and curl hold. Once I've curled my hair, I've combed it out with a nice wide tooth comb. I'm going to be using the Just Smooth Taming Oil to give it shine and just remove some frizz. So I part my hair on the side, but wherever you part your hair, I always go down the center all the way to my back hairline. I then start low, small to medium sections when you're doing a loose wave. So the hair that's right at the base of my neck there, I secure all this hair out of the way. And we're going to be starting here. So we're going to put our iron into as close to the roots as you can make it fit. Turn away from your face, slowly pull downwards until you reach the ends, let go. Iron that last inch of hair to keep it nice and straight. And you can see I've just got a really loose, soft wave that once we've done the whole thing, will just give me a nice bevel. Now we all have a side that we struggle with the most. Mine is my left because I'm right-handed, so I now have to put my hand behind my back, clamp it in, turn the hair around exactly the same as the other side, twist the iron back from your face, pulling it down, just letting go once you feel that you've reached the ends, and exactly the same, iron out the bottom. So now we're going to take our next sections. I find it easiest to section from the back to the front to get a nice even section. Again, it doesn't need to be that thin because we can take thinner sections coming vertically. So now we're going to repeat the spray on both sides every section. You can sort of spray it all the way through at the beginning, but because it does have that little bit of hold factor, I prefer to do it section by section. So starting at the back and working towards the front so as to not miss any sections, I've taken a skinny, about 1 inch section going all the way down, and we're going to repeat the exact same curling technique as we did in the underneath sections. Another good thing to notice, I'll try and do this slowly for you, I am constantly holding the hair in my hands with tension. I'm never letting go of those ends until I reach the very last point of the hair. This ensures it doesn't slip out of the iron so that you have full control over that strand of hair. So now that we've put all of our waves in our hair, we're going to be using the wide tooth comb to comb out our waves. Comb all the way through, loosen up all those waves. You don't want any little curly sausages. Get a little bit of the taming oil, as I mentioned before, just a very small amount. Spreads all through these mids and ends, just the very ends of my fringe area. Obviously you don't want to be taking this up near the roots. All the way through. Get that volume up in there, start to get the style in place, because now we're using the Twist Around spray, which is a styling and a finishing product, instead of using a hard hair spray. And that is your nice loose waves.